In this video, I'll show you how to add the product inventory block to the product page in Shopify Horizon theme. Once the block is added, it will display the exact quantity left in stock for that specific product. As you can see with this particular product, coffee beans, there are only 7 units in stock. So to add this block, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under sales channels, click on the online store. Then look for your current theme, like is Horizon, and then select add a theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on home page, then select products, default product. On the left side of the screen, under template, expand the product information, then expand header, and then click on add block. Make sure the blocks tab is selected, then scroll all the way down. Under product, click on product inventory. As you can see, the inventory count is displayed above the product title. Let's move it just under the price. And finally, on the right side of the screen, under product inventory, make sure this option, show low stock quantity, is enabled. And for the low stock threshold, I'll just keep it at 10. So the moment the inventory for the product drops to 10 units or less, it will show the exact number of quantities available. So once you're done making these changes, at the top right corner, click on save. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try to open one of the products. Let's open this one. As you can see, vanilla candle comes in 3 variants. The small one has 5 units in stock, medium 6, and large 9. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please come my channel. Thank you.